Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy's S24 Ultra, and I don't believe this is really a new function. This could be also for the S22, S23, S20s, any of the Samsung series phones. If you have one that's not a S24, leave it in the comments below and let me know it works for yours as well. But a lot of people don't know about this function, and it's pretty neat. It's cursor control. So, for example, let's go into a note that I've taken. And of course it has to be text. So let's go to this one. This is just some of the things I'm going to make videos on eventually. But for example, now say for example, I want to, with my finger, I have my stylus out as well, but if I want to change while, and I want to go to the other side of the eye, okay, see there I couldn't get it, there I got it. It's very touchy. It's very difficult for your screen control. This will work, by the way, also for texts. It'll work for emails. It'll work for anything with screen control and text control and typing control. This will work for it. Okay, so on collage, say I want to go at the end of the A. There, I got it right off the bat. But normally, you get my idea. It's hard to go where you want. So to fix that, you can tap and hold on your keyboard the space bar. Tap and hold it. Now it turns into the called cursor control, and I can move my cursor around just like a mouse to anywhere I want to go. So if I want to go here, I scoot over just a little bit. If I want to go to KEEP, I move over just a little bit. And I hope you can see when my screen turns to cursor control, it actually, the whole section where you normally type is one big mouse pad. So you can actually move your control around anywhere you want to get to any word or any section you want, just by simply pressing, holding the space bar. Well, there we go. There I got Google search, but you want to tap and hold the space bar and then move around to wherever you want to go. So that's my video on cursor control. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if I've really pleased you with other videos as well as this one. And until next time, I'm out.